this is how we jive from Mass Communication. Here I'm again with another video. In this video I'm going to show you how you can do a factory reset to your iPads, iPad mini or any version. Go inside the setting option you see here. So we are inside the general option. In general you have to go to the bottom. Button name changes here. Is a transfer or reset your iPad. Previously it was only reset. I go inside, you say reset or erase all the content and setting. Decide what you want to do. Reset sometime, some of data will remain, and if you do erase all content and setting, so I hit erase all content and setting. So erase everything in this case. Here you have continue button. I hit continue. You have to put your passcodes. So they are giving you warning if you want to upload all the data for safe. So do what you feel comfortable. But if you lose the data, if you don't have any backup. So I have backup in my iPhone or Mac everywhere. I hit erase everything. Here we go. This is a hard factory reset. It will erase everything. So you can see guys, it says hola, then hello. So reset is done. Now you have to do the setup as you have done for the first time. Okay guys, if you like this video, please do subscribe to my channel. Like this segment, please give me a thumbs up. Take care till then, bye.